Figueroa Mountain has a reputation for wonderful spring wildflowers. I'm hiking to the summit to check out the wildflowers. The mountain is in northern Santa Barbara County. It's a fairly easy climb up the mountain. The vistas go for miles on this windy, crystal clear day. Poppies sprout from the dry, rocky road embankments. The heady aroma from these blooms reminds me of grape drink. This dwarf species often grows on grassy slopes. The lake is named after an indigenous Chumash village. These deer-resistant plants contain bitter toxins. You need a high-clearance vehicle to drive this road. The Forest Service put a picnic area up here on this Jeep road. I decided to check out the short nature trail. The dominant trees are ponderosa pine, Jeffrey pine, and Douglas fir. Roughly 10 years ago, many trees died due to a beetle infestation. Time to have lunch. One of the dead conifers still stands. Almost to the top. Light-colored marine sandstone stands out on this ridge. The lookout is no longer staffed. Hikers come upon amazing drifts of lupine and poppies on this trail to the summit. We appreciate you. Please subscribe. Want more information? Go to hikingthegoldenstate.com.